And then into Nkotisa, huge setback. I just graduated my IT degree right now. So it's a setback in Ipalila. I'm an ITian. I know how to do this and that and that. Then man say, Mama check go system. But you know, Shandukani Mnyai has a pending case. And when they ask, oh, what is the pending case for? And then I have to, it's written fraud. You understand? They're not going to understand that I was tricked. They will think maybe I was with the trickers, you know? And then if they give me a chance of being into the IT industry, and well, what's going to happen? What if I am a tricker? What if I do the hacking? You understand? So it's a risk to give someone like me that chance. So there came a time where, I think it was in 2020, remember Corona hit us and it hit very hard. And then it happened to see kuze umunye ubhuti so yabo. At that time book bed. Yo, it was really rough. Load shedding kicked nayo, we kick a bed nayo, ne? And then I badly needed a stove. I want to lap when you need a stove. I wanted to buy a stove. As a gas. So that I can be able to cook even if I'm in a gas, you understand? So there came a time where because I didn't know this guy. So it's a person who walks around looking for women who are vulnerable and who are desperate for money, you know, or work, you can say that. And then he came to our place, for White City, and then he came to this guy who lives just few houses away. We consider him as a brother, mntana sekasi, mina ngumntana sekasi lakhe, so he considers us abantwana basekasi yabona. And then when he came, he approached a few, and then he explained what happened. And then they said no. I think he suggested it to his wife, and then his wife said no as well. And then wathola umngani wami ke, my friend. Magathola umngani wami, utshela umngani wami ukuthi no kusona so. Nizopopha imali. Okay, uthi there are people quoted. It doesn't say ukuthi they're white or they're black. There are people whom this is the story, no? They make money via unclaimed insurances. No? Okay, Doji, right, but it's not too dangerous. No? Okay, unclaimed insurances, yes. So this is what they do. They only need a place to pass the money. All you need to do it's like a job, you know. Is it going to put me into trouble? No, it's not going to put you into trouble. We've been doing this for a long time. But uzopopa, we give you 2,500 rand. On that particular time when they put money into my account. Okay, so how much is that money? What? Uzofaka imali ngathi boma 10,000 yabo. I know ngimbuze ngithi so what do we have to do thina ke? Athi no nina into ekumele niyenze ukuthi you must go and open an account. Net bank accounts. Then when you're done opening an account, come bring back the account and then mina ngizokutshela ukuthi uyenze kanjani. Ne? Okay, sounds genuine. Account, right. You know what he does, ne? You know money talks. He pops out money, you know, 200 rands. What's he? What's he give me? Thatha na imali. Hambo vuli account. Ngizotenga 50 rand kuphela ukuvula account from that money. Nomngani wami naye ahambe ayoyenza, ne? Avume, okay. Asiphe ama 100 rand. Ngihambe mina ngiyovula account. Remember, I'm desperate for money. And leso sikhathi leso load shedding it like we amalanga like Wednesday, but days we do past days singana case. When you have kids, your life starts to become vulnerable. And yes, I do have kids. I have 2. And situation becomes worse. Come to think ukuthi I have a child, second child, she's cerebral palsy. So by cerebral palsy, I mean she can't walk, she can't talk. So, and she's a very dedicated child, Melahle, I cannot stay with things or compromise with, if it's 10 o'clock, if she has to eat, she's gotta eat. If she doesn't eat, maybe she'll experience some feeds or whatever. Okay, well, ngivule account. Mangiceda ukuvula account ngimfonele ngimtshele. Okay, the guy ngikhuluma ngaye, he's around 50. Yes, 50. He's light in complexion and he targets like young women and old women, but not men because he has good I'm shy. So the reason why I want to address Guti as I saw is because at the end of the day, it gets you arrested. They will give you money. They won't do anything to you, but it will get you arrested. So, ayenze angiphi imali mina ngihambe ngivule account okay ngivule account ngibuye ngimtshele eze the following day makeze phethe ama package yabo phethe ukudla ma wine just to make me feel good about this thing ukuthi this is okay as a phethe ma wine as a phethe ukudla ma KFC sidle vele nabangani bami. And then here's a trick part. He asked me to write my ID number. Go the account. Ngivule account. And then iphepha le account. Phela manje sibathatha yonke into. Bathatha iphepha le account, bathatha card ye account. And then wathi ngibhale ID yami. Athi no man, angeke ngikhona ubhale ID yami. And then he changed. He was like, Shandu, bhale ID yakho ro yini uyifuna imali. And then Mangpali ID, the first 6 digits, which is my date of birth. I changed my number. Yabo kancane lapho date. So yaba wrong. Ngamnikeza. Later that day angifonela athi phela labantu laba bathe bakwazi access ID number yakho. Ngithi bakwazi access ID number yami. Kanjani manje? Athi no ubaphi ID number wrong ngithi hayi kahle wena ufuna ukwenzani nge-ID because ngiphile account kusafuneka ne-ID wathi kimi phela sisi kuzomela ukuthi ufake i-ID yakho ngoba manje ungenile hayi ngimuphi i-ID number yami phela was a person ukuthi makakhuluma nge-1 mangimphikisa akhuluma nge-2 ngiyam-understand I serve yabo ngiyazinikezela kuye he would I began the thing ukuthi makekhuluma mawuthi no at the end of the day uzoconvince her you will end up saying yes especially to this business yakhe bekakhuluma ngayo leyo mangiqeda ngimuphe i-ID hambe late the following day ekseni ngoba 6 bangifonela bathi Shandu phela imali ingenile what it's imali ingenile basasambe phela siyikhipha angilande afanye neperfume eFhong Kong nuka ngineperfume eFhong Kong le inuka strong sihambe sihamba sifike eMidrand Mall of Africa sifike Mall of Africa ngihlangane with a Nigerian. Now this is my first encounter with the real people and then ingqondo yemali ibaleke sikusele ingqondo ukuthi this guy and then now the Nigerians azangitshela ukuthi ngihlangana nama Nigeria so sengithukile manje angisayicabanga indaba yemali sengicabanga indaba zama human trafficking. So we moved from Mall of Africa to another complex angiyazi ngale kunama complex from to another complex masifika ngale they're communicating and they're speaking their language, you understand? And then siye eMidrand. Sengiyambuza ukuthi manje uthe kimi uzongihlanganisa nabantu abasima ama Nigeria sokwenzakani manje athi Shandu akuthula. Yazi uShandu ukhuluma kakhulu. Thula ayikho into ezenzakala kuwe wena uhamba nami uzoba right wena. Ngithi phela sengithukile what if bayangitshontsha phela athi hayi baze bakutshontshe relax. okay, iphume le yokutshontsha engqondweni. Ngithe anyway ngimtshelile umngane wami ukuthi ngiyaphi, and then uyazi ukuthi ngikuphi ngoba uyazi ukuthi ngihambe nomalume wakhe. Ngithi umalume wakhe. Hayi-ke bese sifike eMidrand sihlangane noMaqhuzu ke. Uzombona na ukuthi uMaqhuzu. Smart guy, gqoke kahle, unuka kahle, ufaka iwash elihle, hamba ngejeep omhlophe enhle. Singene eNedbank, Midrand, ne? Singena eNedbank, ngihlale. Bangithengele ibreakfast angithi ngihlale. Afike le ntombazana le, ne? Bafika le ntombazana leyana sime kule ewindweni. Remember that I'm expecting 10,000 rand to come out of my account, and I'm expecting them to give me 2,500 rand, ne? Actually 2,000. How much is figure ewindweni ukelabuze athi how much bese this guy or in Nigeria ube uyaphendulayo. The amount was 100. Uthe 210,000. Phew, 210,000. Why? Then now I started changing. Yeah, but man changing. It's no. You never told me about 210,000. And then the guy became aggressive. He was like, you know what? You've been talking too much. So just keep quiet. You will talk to the person who brought you here. He will give you money. Don't worry. Yeah, but and then again, change. You go see, oh damn, now I'm in real trouble.
So why do you think you're in trouble now?
It's 210,000 coming into my account. As much as I am, I know South African law is going to leave me with such huge amount of money. Ugbeni, it's a new account. It's having such a huge amount of money, and I've never had that before. I'm not a reference you would maybe it's lotto or it's gambling or it's just from somewhere. Obviously, they will investigate it. So I waited for that day. So sithrow again, yes, bayikhiphe again, bayikhiphe nase Mall of Africa. So bayikhiphe eMidrand, half of it bayikhipha eMall of Africa. Masiphuma ebhenki siphuma kahle ngiphethe ibag enemali. Angisimanje mina ngintombazana ngiyi1. That's why bafuna amantombazana. Ayena Nigeria I3. There's no way I'm gonna say, hey guys, no. I just had to keep quiet. This guy, the Nigerian guy, he's famous Midrand la Puguleyo complex. So everybody knows him. Okay, so I know it's a normal girl working with normal people. So I'm a Mall of Africa manje. Sifike Mall of Africa again. Singene eNedbank. Sekusena ngithi lento le bayenza ekseni. Masingene eNedbank. Everybody knows him again. Can I have money for lunch? He's popping out amaklipa 600. Unikeza abantu mali lunch. Sifike lapho keep the rest of the money. Still bengiphethe ibag le encane so ikubeka la. So ebhekini I had about 110,000. Here I had 70, and then he had 30 in his hand. Le mele ahambe ayifaka ebhenki anikeze abantu basebenza nabo ebhenki, because abantu basebhenki they were supposed to ask me where did I get the money from. But they never did. So umsebenzi oyi-1 yabo bayasebenzisana. Mase kuyoshare imali kena. Mina sengiyakhishwa manje emotweni sekuthathwa ibheke banginikeza ikhadi selisele maybe nabo 5,000 yabo, bathi ngihambe ngiyothenga ukudla. So I lost ngiluze kakhulu because they put money into that account, they never paid for it. They took money out of that account and they never paid for it again. So that account was left with a negative 2.8. Yabo, yes, Nedbank. So now the catchy part is, mina, I referred someone. I refer someone to mangim refer and I as jongo mom. I mean that time I'm peeling it's mad and it helped me a lot.
So banding about
2000. Saying I'm complaining la man. How keep my man some years 2000. What is for my male? It's wrong chica man. I say, now, what's on the man? It's hard demand, man. Send hard demand, man. Oh, let's tell a man, send demand. No, it writes you, Nale. When you pay my 50 rand a money. That's 32.5. But that was on 2008. That's 30. What's he giving? 32.5. Hey, it's 32.5. That's Tata Mayama 50 rand I too. I'm niggas at the rest. What's 32.5? That's yeah, that's okay. Yen bamupika kazemali cause la phuthi sigaqa la bese le lama 50 rand lawa awakhe nje change ifake la mina ngikhethe ku ene kahle kahle leyo bokumele kube yami. It's not this is crucial. I find past that and then I referred someone ne mina ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyasiza kanti ngamosha. Mangimrefera kanti uPhilip naye uzomshaya bafake imali eaccountini yakhe bese bamupha nje 800. Then it happens ukuthi kanti leyo mali leyo leyo account yakhe bayenzani badlulisa imali kuyo badlulise yaze yafika ku 710,000 yena akazi next. And this is where we got caught. Leyo mali leyo ibuya ne? But let's not mention the part. So, leyo mali mayibuya bavule I case. But no, sibona imali abantu abayi2 aba receive le mali leso. So, umuntu osona so kanti bazobamba ubani umngani wami. How mababamba umngani wami? Yo, that day. I was supposed to go to my grandmother's funeral. She passed on the 25th of May. And then that girl got arrested on the 25th of May, that day. Mambo Palantomazana Leana. Was no, mina, it wasn't me. It was Ushandu, Yabon. Who you muntong faye ku listen to lazy. Angisnabe gathukile. So bayangazi ukuthi uzothini because nami imungimazi bese siye akazi ukuthi uhlalaphi. You understand?
So manje babembopha ugelo bathi bambophela
ukuthi mamela you're under arrest for fraud. Fraud, yes. There's money iphuma endaweni eso and iyabonisa ukuthi ingena kuwe. Yabona. So amaphoyisa wona umsebenzi wabo ukubopha angithi then bazoyenza ama investigation after. Bambophe. Ngicela ukumbopha. Mina ngihlala nomuntu wami eCentral. Somewhere, yeah. As ubhuti wamagijima. Yes, he takes care of me. That one is my father. And then, what's wrong? No, Nana, amaphoyisa azile phela obuphi ubula amaphoyisa na ayakufuna. Phela mina amaphoyisa manje wangifuna njengobani? Because make explain na explain ngokuthi yimi ongimfakile yabona so amaphoyisa mawangifuna mina bazofuna number 1 Mathuso. Yo. Angikho ngithuke ngiyafa. Bambopha athatha umntwana una 5 months. Umntana ke bahambe baye eThokoza. Pambridge le you know Thokoza is far yo. Bahambe baye eThokoza. Yo nami phela sengiwanted. But no, I have to bury my grandma. You understand? I can't go to jail without my grandmom. I was expecting this. Ne? I was. Kanjani, because it's among 210,000. I knew I had to explain this. It's on costela a problem. And then basbopha a year later. So imali iphume 2020 September, and then a year later kwasekuphume indaba leyo ukuthi phela imali itshonjwe kuphi 2021, which was 2021, yes. And then No, the money was in 2021, and then the arresting was last year. Yes, the arrest was last year. Mabambopha, mina mangivuka ekuseni, ngicabanga ukuthi ithi ngibaleke yabo evenda because ngicaba ugogo yabo. Ngithi but mangizohamba bazobona kahle ukuthi ngiyabaleka. So ugeli ngokuthi usisi wakhe uyiphoyisa. Obviously tricked my brother, bambuza ukuthi umntana kini uhlalaphi, no sifuna nje ukuthatha istatement and then sizombuyisa. Little did he know ukuthi ufuna ukungibopha, yabo. Yena beka right, beka kumele ukuthi angibophe because ngeke umntana kuba boshwe ngenxa yami and then mina bese ngisala kanjalo. Hayi kanti ke ubhuti wami uzenzani? Eshoba letha yazi. Got arrested like that. Then hamba ke.
Uzopakishile?
Bese ngipakishile bra. Ngithenge nomphako. Hey, ngithenge nomphako. Ngithenge KFC how. Where's amaphoyisa phela? How baby yamangala and then ngithayi phela bathi ngiyothatha istatement ngizobuya. Okay, hayi. Ngibangithatha ngiwasha nezitsha phela. Umuntu wami uyangilungisela ungithengene nomphako yazi sona kanjani. Sisihamba ngifike eMroka how bayangivalela how kanjalo nje sengibhalwa phansi igama ID number mangithi the reason for arrest fraud. That's all. So ungangitsheli kahle ukuthi uyangibopha kumele ukuthi ungitrick manje ukuthi sihambe sothatha istatement. It's fine kumele ukuthi ungibophe vele. Okay,
uyazi ukuthi uboshwe lana?
Ngiyazi.
Okay.
Yes, but I had to we both mina no we had to play our cards right angithi ukuthi simatshela ukuthi umuntu uzile vele uzile from Orange Farm cabanga Orange Farm ikuphi ezositshela ukuthi ngina Spani for abo sister so into engimele ngifuna ukuthi babo sister bayenze iso umbavula ama accounts bese sibafakela imali leyo isona imali ephuma kuphi so njengoba si desperate senze sibaningi khona bomama abanye nabo bayenzile but ayifika ngalapho ukuthi baze baboshwe mara ngazi mhlambe izofika because khona nomntana no 21 naye waboshwa naye ngenxa yalo yabo so enkhanga intombazana yena kahle uthaketha abomama yabo ngiboshwe nami ngihambe ngeMroka from Mroka ezike lo sisi lo bafonele lo sisi lo waseThokoza lo bambele case le ukuthi ezazongilanda bekeza zongilanda uyangibopha naye ungifaka ama handcuff ungilanda ngibophe Friday Saturday Sunday ungilanda Monday morning sisi futhi ngiboshwe Friday ungilanda Saturday morning yeah bese ukuthi ngiyoboshela le eThokoza ngibopha ngifana nama handcuffs ayingize ngibaleke asenzanga angiyenzanga nisathi hayi as the way she was so aggressive like yeah ninjalo maseniboshiwe nizenza sweet mara masenifuna into enifuna alandaba nabantu ngambheka kayi1 it's usungazi kahle lo sisi lo one day ke ngithathe ngiseThokoza ngifike eThokoza ngihambe athi ngibuza ukuthi do you have any medication ngihambe ngiyithatha la ngihlala khona nomuntu wami umuntu wami sengifika lapho sengiboshwe izandla manje baby masoboshwe izandla yini manje ethi ayina bangibopha izandla bathi ngizobaleka ngeke ngize ngibaleke hayi fine Thokoza sihlale okay we have to go to court on Monday I'm still asking ukuthi kanti mina ngiboshelweni because mina ekwami akukaveli mastani so why are you arresting me? Hey, on Saturday on Sunday my grandmother was getting buried. Hectic. Ngikhale kube buhlungu. Hayi kube right. Monday when we went to court told me umama I went to court alone because bebamphe ukuthi uzoya court nge3 zika June. Mengifika lapha bathi no it's the same case as oh, there's another third party phela. Third party igama lakhe ne usile umfana yena udla ama 10,000 because uye wayenzani wahlakanipha. Masimtshela usitshela ukuthi akasasi akamazi. You understand? Yena imali bephuma ku ihambe iye yabona ayikhiphe bese makayikhipha bamuphi 10 bese akhiphe the rest yaze yafika ku 710,000. Yabona? Yena Monday mina before ngizobisa Monday mangecourt lo mama wecourt you will remain in custody. I thought I did not hear her clearly. I thought maybe I could not understand English. So custody, she was talking about a customer or something. And then that was it. That was my journey to Sun City on Monday. Oh, yeah, Maseleni, I was alone. Oh, yes. And there was this captain, Baba. He had the Yakona. He kicked me. And I was asking Guti, Mina Eyami case itini. Like, tell me what's going on. But yeah, Kibana. Yes, Guti, which way? Ba Matama Nigeria, ba it's a Nigeria, the chele, the first Nigeria, Baba for the 2,000 rand. So they know about this matter. But manje bayenza ngathi wonke umuntu manje uhamba nalawo ma Nigeria, you understand? And little did he know we were tricked not to singene, yabo. Then he kicked me, wangikhahlela buhlunganyana. But anyways, I'm not gonna be able to solve it. This is what I'm telling intanga zakhe. And then Emaseleni, you were asking Emaseleni, I was alone Emaseleni. It was okay. Futhi bebangiphe nefone nalo mama lo beka right. And then ikinga iqale mase umuntu ke aya eSun City. Even now I just got a skip in my heart because nobody deserves to be there. Like especially monga yenzanga nix. It's horrible. Even the female section, yes. A1 what Integnas quota by going to Sun City is you're not gonna survive if you are an always hungry person. If you're a cat and you want to eat all the time, you're not gonna survive. It's unsurvivable because you're going to be hungry. Why? And you're not going to be able to eat all the time. Ukona kudla, kukhona, but it's only lunch and bread. And jungle oats. Horrible. Horrible. It's only lunch and bread.
So lunch what do they serve?
Kona okay, ting bab bigely map. They serve us fish. They serve us chicken. They serve us beef for lunch, and with all different types of veggies. You remember veggies, cabbage, and then starch. It could be papa, it could be meal rice, could be rice, could be anything. Yeah, but it's only one feed per day. That's it. Breakfast, it's your jungle oats, your oats without a spoon. Angaze ngadinga ispoon kanje empilweni yami. Oh yeah, angaze ngadinga ispoon kanje empilweni. Shuthi haloka ngibheka phansi ngithi mhlawumbe ngizothola nyana something. Nix. Akuna cut box, akuna nix. Like siphethe kanje amabhusasa nama-plate lawa wasebhusasa. Ijungle oats leso sikhathi ivutha umoya umshiso ngena size. Fakela ushukela lapho. So waqeda ukufaka. Futhi ibreakfast ibe ingcono. Emily rice, mase kufika ku lunch. Emily rice yazishisa kanjani? Ishisa kabuhlungu kabi. You will eat with your fingers or you drink the jungle oats. Yabo, i-oats nje uzoyiphuza or uzoyidla ngesinkwa. Bengicela ukubona umuntu adla i-oats ngesinkwa. like ngesingo like lo sisi nomntana lo okay I had an alibi umuntu bengene naye yabo sidekick because as a smoker I needed cigarettes to go there yabo kanti zothi mangifika ubhuti wami masengifika day 1 ubhuti wami ngiphi imali I bought cigarettes and then I was able ukuthi mangena lapha ngibe ne sidekick man, you know, you had to have that somebody. No, ngimthole ePalmridge that day of my first day. Magathi no, lo mama lo wekule akadlali kanjalo. Uyafaka nje correctional service ukuthi mawusophuma lapha uyakhetha ukuthi uzobuyela or awubuyeli, whether shoplifting or yini. Yena nje magathi nje no custody uthi no custody. Ngathuka nje from lapho. Kanti uzosho kanjalo. Thenga ugwayi yena. Ngathi usibhuta mangiphi 50 rand ngatshela nomntana ngathi hayi sengizathenga ugwayi phambili. Wathi ini? Sisi ugwayi 10 rand phambili. So ngcono nje sithenga ubugwayi. Sizongena nabugwayi bethu. Ngoba nje ugwayi 10 rand. Mase sifika ngaphakathi. Bengicanga ngathi uyadlala.
Uvumelekile.
Yes. But kumele kube amalusu. No, ungafaki ngaphansi kwama-box. And then mase sifika lapha yana day 1. I was traumatized by the searching. The searching was traumatized me. Remember, I got arrested on Friday, so I didn't get a chance to bath due to amaselo asethukuza ukungena amanzi yabo. So as a woman, a day without a bath, it's horrible. So I passed 3. Whew, wow. So masisifika lapha yana ku waiting room kuyena basibhalise and everything sisingena. But you must take all your clothes off. Okay, I'm counting my clothes off. Women will understand me. Women will understand what I'm talking about. Took her clothes off and then they leveled up. We were like squat. Hey, ngampeka lo mama lo ngampeka. What are you looking me at for? Squat, just squat. Are you serious? What's he? I said squat. And you know man, sekayakwata man, sekabona ngathi sengifihla something yabo. Wow, I squatted. No man, this is squat as banning man. Ladies will understand what I'm talking about. Siskota, it's a Monday, remember? There have been Bonyaopes arrested. People who don't bath naturally. We're squatting with, there have been women who've been arrested for drinking. And probably they did not bath wherever they come from. And then the squat, that was horrible. That was horrible. But it was horrible.
Or do they insert izinto to check
No. You just squat and then you cough. So obviously when you're a lady and you squat in and then you cough, and you squat, then you cough 3 times and then more again. Remember, on Monday was I with... Oh no, I wasn't with her. So yena begasa umngani lo ongibophisile. Begasa ngaphakathi yena ne. Because usesectionini yabantwana. Remember she got arrested nomntwana. 5 months old, yes. Hey, singene. Akunama stepis lapha yana, mara siya upstairs. Sihambe around and iyashine. Ayikho ndawo clean njengaleya. Surround psychic yami naye lana. Ungithathele negown. Ukuthi phela mina mangifika lapha yana phela mangakugwajisa ngifuna uhambe uyohlala esenini nami na Shandu. Masifika lapha uLebu ngitshela ngako uLebu unenkani. Masifika lapha yazi uLebu ngasithathela nalobo gwayi lapha. Uzosithathela vele. Masifika lapha thingona amateki wakho. Bengifake amateki fila white. So athi hayi mari wena at least ufake izinto ezi right as sizobhema ngawe. Hayi mali wena ngiyangithengisa yazi. Yabona like ungipha la lezinto lezi ukuthi ngithuke yabo. Angazi ukuthi uthini ukuthi bathi zobhema ngami yabo. Hey, hayi fine yena usuke ubeka nami so yabo. Esifike basiphi isinkwa nebutter, sidle isinkwa brown nebutter. Sidle first night yes angithi ecourt sifike ngabo 4 ecourt sifike ngabo 4 sesifika lapha ya thina mabathi siye ecourt mase sibuyela back to ejele sibuyela makuchayisa ecourt mayichayisa nathi siyahamba amagumba ayahamba manje yabo so mase sifika ke sazobalwa
Hamba out in the same or
no.
traveling out?
No, it's cut into 2 sections. The truck kwela in two sections. There's ladies here, and then there's men on the other side. And then that truck, it was meant to abantu abayenza izinto ezirong. Because ihamba nje lona nje. Yo, angazi sithathile sibiselele malithi yo wela le buye futhi hayi wow I don't believe kona abantu abathithwa nje I serious. And then day 1 sesingena kena the searching search singene sesifika lapha sikuphelile manje ukukhala sengikhalile ngizwile ngikhalile akusini ukuthi ngisazophinde ngikhale ngiboshiwe and abalokha kayi3 so akazi usuzivula nje sihamba sifike la siyakhona sihamba hayi mase sifika ke emaselini mina nginabo ugwayi vele baphethe me by 4 by 5 nayo lo ntombazana engithathela wathi hayi mina ungiphe bona ngizokubambela bona ukuthi bangakuthatheli yabona ungizela ngoclever mase sifika lapha yena aye ku the other cell manje mina ngene to the other cell bayasibala 1 2 3 4 5
uhambe nawo bonke abakwayo
uhambe na most ngithi sithenga 20 le court ubhuti wami ngizamile phela wangihlanganisela mase sithenga 20 yena uphethe abagwayi abaningi mina bengiphethe 9 shuthi yena maybe akaphethe no mina bengiphethe 5 yena bekaphethe the rest yeah but some sibhemile mara yena bekaphethe okuningi mase sifika kena hayi ngisitholele amakhaladi yena mangena ngibona ukuthi namahlama amakhulu kanjani avela phuma etele phela ngiyasithemba ngesukuthi hayi azongibamba ngizomtrapa mara yo kusejele la ngizotshela abantu mase bangishayini
uyakwazi ukulu
ngiyakhona ukuzibambela hayi ngeke sorry ngiyakhona ukuzibambela never sesingena athi etele konje basibizani amagaga athi nawo amagaga afikile wonke umuntu uyajabula. It's okay, this is what happened at TV, okay? This one is not too scary. Athi nawo amagaga afikile anibhemi ngathi ngithi ngiyabhema athi ayangibhemi athi ayangibhemi sesandi thatha labantu bakho siletha labantu abangabhemi sifuna abantu ababhemayo yabo hayi mhlambe bayadlala ini angifike ngisiphare phezulu kombhede bangisukumisa athi kukini sisi unombhede la wena uzonombhede la ngithi angizange nombhede athi hamba lala le then bayaselecta ke kunama monitor wasemaselini baselecte ukuthi uzolala nobani luckily bangibeka namanye abantwana bamakhaladi kunye ku pregnant kuncane nangaki 21 then namngani wakhona mangifika lapha bayabhema boyi2 bathi my friend do you have cigarette ngithi I have plenty of cigarette I made friends banama visits nabo baya yabo and then I became their friends
bebangene ngani bona
okay, so the pregnant one was defending herself from i-boyfriend bemshaya. So the way kuncane ngakhona uyabonakala ukuthi bekasidefend because she was pregnant. Umgwazile. Makamgwaza washona. And then lo mngani wakhona yena uthe lo maceda ukugwaza lo umngani wafonela umngani uthi uzobona phela ngenzeni. So amaphoyisa bayofika bacabanga ukuthi no bayi-2. But anyway, sibazoyiwina i-case angafoneli yazi mara it's life yasejele. People from jail no angibafuni bangilandela. And then there's rules ne masifika lapha kunama-rules. Kuyashintsha konke ne awusekho kini mawuvuke ekuseni uyageza futhi awuvuke ekuseni bayakubusa. Ama-monitor asemaseleni abusisa abadala basemaseleni okudala baboshwa abafaka amadelela abhale detention. Mabakuvusa guess ukuthi isikhathi bakuvusa ngobani isikhathi bakuvusa ngo-2 o'clock in the morning. Remember ngiboshwe June ngiboshwe May yabanda khona ubusika ngathi buyangena and yabona sunset up the hill ne so umoya uphela lapho yabo. Okay ama-monitor bazosivusa ngabo-2 masimothi uvulela amanzi uthi uyawalinda ufaka isandla kanje uthi uyawalinda bathi hayi sis awakashisa amanzi singena emanzini wona wabandifandiwane ne but obviously ishawe yazishawe njani showering yabo banda yabanda hayo sigeze 2 o'clock maqeda la bathi hayi it's fine maqeda ukugeza ngingaphinda futhi ngilale yabo silale hawo bona mazithi 6 bayavuka khona bageza mazithi mawubuza bazothi ubani wena kukini la sithi Max ugithi bathi manje bofuna ukwenzani ufuna ubhala ama-rules ngicela impheni ball pen abhaleni nangu sifuna ukusibhalela imithetho yala ekhaya. Aba amahlanya abelungu athanda ukubhema yo guys now I was traumatized it. Beceda okay sivuke ekuseni yena sigeze ngiceda ukugeza ke bona bazovuka ke ngabo 5-6 bageze ceda siyabalwa ngiceda siyaphuma sesontweni siyacleana have to clean yabo undlula umbhede bona shemba clean angazi mabo la yamalady khona ku clean sesicleanela ngithi ngama ladies sihlala lapho ngeke usihlale endaweni engcolile mawungaclean isibayakushaya awuyenza inkani mathi nje clean uthatha into bakuphe yona uclean ungaclean bayakumura bonke bathi mob justice.
Uke wabona kushaya umuntu lapha during the time
Yes
bekashayela
singisiphunga sesikhaladi bekashayela ukuthi ithe futhi ekyohamors kugogo omdala ugogo omdala abogogo bona ke xoxela istory sabo yazi bakosheleni badli 100,000 yestokfel. Umphakathi wathi angeke jele angeke
bayintomnyama
abogogo abantu abamnyama badla imali ngithi yabona abogogo badlala istokfel bashayile abogogo bashayile baba manje uBianca ngazi ugogo uyamkhuza ukuthi angayenzeni wathi hayi mali futhi take your hamors umlando ugogo amshaya makamshaya ugogo manje uBianca ufuna ukuzilwela kugogo and uyikhaladi manje abantu abamnyama phuma yonke isel and umntana omncane akasethayini bamshaya ngiyabona imob stick semob ngabona lapho ukuthi yo kunzima bamshaya waba red mangaba red makatshela usansa wabo sarsant bathi ubani omshayini sonke asasi uzothini lapho uyapester no mara they beat me sarsant uthi thina sazi next ngesikhathi siyadla ubhizi uyasirasela usasanti malokazi ukuthi ulokuthi they beat me uvela phuma kuyi ngihambe yosihlalela le.